Fines could be coming for the ICE facility in Aurora. Then again, maybe not. Colorado's Public Health Department, CDPHE, wants answers about a tuberculosis outbreak at the ICE detention center run by GEO Group. Multiple public health orders to get that info appear to have been disregarded. Our Angeline McCall breaks down the refusal and what could come next.
Inside the GEO Group's detention facility in Aurora, at least one confirmed tuberculosis case, and outside, a push for an investigation starting with this public health order from CDPHE.
There's a lot of people that are at risk when something like this happens. GEO knows, the CDPHE knows, the governor's office knows, the AG knows. We know.
Miriam Ortuñez Rodriguez with immigrant rights nonprofit American Friends Service Committee and other advocates pushed for an order like this. The company had until midnight Monday to hand over information about the case and anyone else who may have been in contact. CDPHE says GEO didn't comply.
It just leaves us shocked that the data that was requested of GEO, they couldn't even provide.
Under a new law passed this year, they could be fined $50,000 per refusal, and it opens up an avenue for upcoming litigation.
I think what should happen next is that the Attorney General is now in a position to do his job, which is to uphold Colorado laws through starting litigation against GEO and fining them for violation of the public health order.
We asked Attorney General Phil Weiser's office, who wouldn't share if or when he plans to sue. Until then, Miriam says it's impossible for adequate contact tracing to happen or accountability without some kind of consequence.
Accountability can possibly happen in these circumstances, but it would have to be through fines and litigation.
We reached out to the GEO Group about this. They said they operate under federal standards and have close federal oversight with agencies like the CDC, as well as the ICE Health Service Corps. A spokesperson added there are currently no active or suspected cases of TB, as they believe, adding they have repeatedly engaged with the Adams County Health Department and other Colorado officials. Marshall?
Repeatedly engaged, but not allowing them in. And this new law that took effect last week says what if they can't come in?
Yeah, that bill that was just passed this past legislative session, House Bill 1276, it would allow the AG to fine or sue. It actually also prompted GEO to file their own lawsuit to try to stop that law from going into effect. Until any kind of legal decision, though, Marshall, we know that the state could still pursue any kind of legal action under it.
It's a good thing. Crossing your fingers is a good way to keep communicable disease from going across the metro area. We hope this gets resolved. Thank you, Angeline.